your character, and then sana mag-gets nyo na gago yung mga sinasabi ng character nyo. The title of my book is What It Means When We Disrespect You.
This is what it means when we disrespect you, when we step on your toes, when we keep you in the dark, when we mislead you and tell you it's yours, when we're taking it away, because you were never good enough, because someone else is just so much better, okay? Don't think of that as a bad reflection on you. See it as a challenge to live up to our unrealistic expectations. This is what it means when we disrespect you. We're not thinking about you, so please, stop it with your feelings. Why should we even consider our actions the impact on you? We just want the best from you. And if that best can come out from emotional torture, then we say it came out beautifully, didn't it? This is what it means when we disrespect you, when we shove you in a corner, when we exclude you from our world. You should never retaliate, because any hate from you will consider immature, will consider as a signal for us to tell you that because of your hissy fit, you'll never get any help from us, you little shit, you little shit. This is what it means when we disrespect you, when we don't listen to you, when we gang up